Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and I know it's been, 10 years since last ako nag-upload ng video. Life is crazy, work is crazy. Damn. Anyway, hindi ko na pahahabay pa yung explanation ko. Basta, work is crazy. Yun na yun. So, for today's video, gagawa ako ng Lipswatch ng bagong lippies. I know, it's like crazy na kasi binuksan ko na siya and tinry ko na siya lahat. Gagawa ako ng Lipswatch ng bagong lipstick line ng FS Cosmetics. And that is the FS Cosmetics Filipiniana line. And look at the packaging, you guys! Anyway, I'm gonna talk more about it later on. Pero ngayon, my God, kailangan muna natin magpaganda, diba? So I'm going to take you with me as I prep my face for this Lipswatch. So for today, gusto ko i-achieve yung bonggang glowy dewy finish. First up, I'm going to use this face oil. This is from Skincare Hub. Oil for all, grapeseed oil. It's for the skin, face, and hair. And tinan mo, ganyan na siya konti kasi I always use this whenever I want yung parang dewy finish na look. So since I'm going to feature lippies from FS Cosmetics, I'm going to try to use products na like FS Cosmetics na meron ako. And for my face, I'm going to use this one. This is a BB cream. Nakuha ko lang to as a sample, pero I think I'm gonna buy a big bottle kasi I really like it. This is their BB cream foundation, concealer, moisturizer in one. Yeah. So, hindi naman ako mag-heavy makeup because I wanna focus nga dun sa lippies. Pero, you know, gusto ko lang magbukang matino. Nakaka-happy talaga chocolate, no? For my brows, naubos na kasi yung FS Cosmetics eyebrow pencil ko. That one is pretty good as well. As in, ganito na lang siya bago ko siya naiwala. So, I'm just going to use a different eyebrow product. All the details ng mga makeup na gagamitin ko, ilalagay ko sa baba. For my eyes, gusto ko lang ng very quick brush of color para lang magkaroon ng dimension yung eyes ko. So, I'm going to take itong FS Single Eyeshadow in Mocha Java. And then, I am just going to lightly sweep it all over my lids. Taking a smaller brush like this. Ilalagay ako sa under eyes. It's just going to be very quick. Take this one, Coffee Arabica. This is a darker brown. And then, ilalagay ko na siya sa outer edge para lang magkaroon ng oomph yung eyes natin. Eyes ko pala. Yan, just like that. Actually, FS Cosmetics, yung isa sa mga may very pigmented na eyeshadows. Yung single eyeshadows, hindi ko pa na-try yung parang bago nilang quad or parang palette. Pero yung single eyeshadows nila, you can never go wrong. I have what? 8 or 9? Just a little bit smoky and sultry. Taking again yung smaller eyeshadow brush, I'm going to take itong Mahogany Wood. It's nabasag, so wala ako ng very konti. And then, ilalagay ko siya near my eyelashes para ito na rin yung magiging semi-eyeliner ko. I'm going to set my face using the FS Cosmetics powder foundation. Very light sweeps lang because I want to maintain yung dewiness. Although mag-highlighter din ako mamaya. So, I'm just gonna contour and highlight. For my blush, I'm going to use ito. Nabasag ko na naman siya. This is the FS Cosmetics powder blush, and this is in the shade Twinkle Tan. And then, isi-sweep ko lang siya sa cheeks ko nang walang direksyon. Gusto ko rin yung mga blush nila, guys, kasi Meron din siya parang glow to it. Hindi siya matte blush. So, parang yung glow nakakatulong para magmukha siyang mas natural. As you can see. So, mag-falsies lang ako and we are done. Okay, so I'm done with the makeup. Let's proceed na dun sa Lipswatch. And let me introduce to you. Ito po ang FS Cosmetics Filipiniana Collection. So, pag bumili ka, yung box niya ganito ang itsura. Very, very unique. Pag tinurn mo sa side na to, andito yung shade name. And this one is Maria Clara. And meron siyang very short description kung sino ba si Maria Clara. Meron ding shade name dito. And then, over here is another product description. And nandito yung ingredients. So, pag binuksan mo siya, ganito ang itsura niya. So beautiful. Ito na siguro yung pinakamagandang lipstick packaging na nakita ko. And over here, merong nakaprint na parang babaeng naka-Filipiniana or something like that. The shape, the color, and everything. And when you open it, the lipstick looks like this. Yeah, you get this much. And this retails for $299. And honestly, you guys, for the formula, for the concept, for the packaging, I do believe sulit na yung $299. And these lipsticks are definitely worth it na itry. Alam niyo guys, nakakatawa na FS Cosmetics came up with a concept to honor yung mga iconic women sa history natin. And not just sa history natin, but also iconic characters na we adore. Kasi we'll also have the shades DARNA and Jezebel na hello. Everybody wants to be a mermaid. Everybody wants to be a superhero. So, I know you want to see the shades na. So, without further ado, here is Lipswatch. Alright guys, so our first shade is called Sisa. And as you all know, Sisa is one of the fictional characters na kasama dito sa line na to. Kasama siya sa novel ni Jose Rizal na No Limit Tangere. And, very iconic tong si Sisa kasi aminin nyo sa mga stage plays, actually kahit sa mga normal na usapan kapag ka may asaran na, alam mo yon, may nababaliw na isang tao, tinatawag na Sisa. Kasi nga diba dun sa No Limit Tangere ng baliw si Sisa looking for her children, si Crispin, Basilio. Pero you guys, they included Sisa because Sisa is an embodiment of mother's unconditional love. For her children, she is a Filipina with a nurturing and enduring heart. So, that's true. So, Sisa is a nude color, perfect for every day. And also, you can wear this at night. Tas mag-dark, smoky eyes ka lang. Perfect. Next shade that I have on, guys, is called Maganda. So me. Charet! So this shade is actually a subtle mauvey pink color. Perfect din siya for everyday, for office wear and everything. And I really like it kasi ang lakas niyang maka-sweet. Alam mo yun, ang lakas niyang not really pa-bebe, but, you know, sweet and loving and caring na parang kala mong bait-bait mo. So si Maganda is another fictional character sa, alam mo yun, sa history books natin, sa, actually not really sa historical, but more on the literature side ng history natin. Kasi diba si Maganda at si Malakas ang nag-umpisa ng lahi ng Pilipino. Oh my God, sana tama yung mga natatandaan ko sa history. Oh, by the way guys, one of the best things sa packaging na to, bukod sa maganda siya, meron siyang magnet. Ayan. So, alam mo yon, in place yung takip palagi kahit nasa loob siya ng bag mo. Alright guys, next color that I have on is in the shade Laura. Laura again is another fictional character, yung Florante at Laura. Pero it says here, Laura, a symbol of poetic beauty of a beloved woman. She exemplifies the genuine loyalty of a loving Filipina. Yes. And ako personally, meron akong history kay Laura kasi nung high school kami, nagkaroon kami ng play, Florante at Laura. Hindi ako si Laura. Ako si Florante. Kasi nung high school ako, may time na hindi co-ed yung mga sections. So, merong all-boys section, and then merong all-girls section. And nandun ako sa all-girls section, of course. And then, kailangan namin gumawa ng play, Florante at Laura. Ang gwapo ko nun. For some reason, parang feeling nila ang gwapo ko pag naging lalaki ako. So, ako si Florante. And then there was this classmate of mine na mas maliit sa akin, pretty. So, siya si Laura. So, actually, same family sila na maganda. Pink color. But yung maganda is lighter and this one's deeper. Deeper and, you know, sexier.
So bored by your delirious fantasies. You see enemies.
Next shade that I have on, guys, it's called Maria Clara, and it's another literary figure. It's a fictional character, no limitang el filibusterismo, and she's like a literary figure of class and elegance. She is the ultimate Filipina of grace and purity. And alam niyo naman, sa normal na usapan, kapag sinabing Maria Clara, parang prim and proper na babae. Which is not really me, but you know, sometimes kailangan natin maging ganon on special occasions, you know. As for the shade, nandun pa rin naman siya sa pink side. Pero parang meron siyang orange or peachy undertone. Hindi talaga yung brown, you know, legit pink undertone. Tara, pagtabi-tabihin natin. Ayan no. Medyo parang orangey siya. This is Maria Clara, Laura, and Maganda. Maganda is lighter. Then this one meron parang orange peachy undertone na pink. That is Maria Clara.
I'll be gone.
Alright guys, so we have one nude, we have 3 shades of pink, and then now we have 4 shades of red. So, first color that I have on is in the shade Jezebel. And I can definitely see bakit Jezebel yung name ng shade nito because this is a bright orange. Not really traffic sign na bright orange, but I think sa lahat ng shades of red na meron, ito yung pinaka, you know, popping red orange. Eh di ba yung buntot ni Jezebel red orange? So, feeling ko kaya Jezebel yung tinawag dito. Feeling ko lang. But you know, we all know the story behind Jezebel. Next shade that I have on, guys, is called Darna. Kailangan pa ba natin explain sino si Darna? Come on! May lalabas na ng movie soon. Honestly, guys, this is one of my favorite colors because it's red and it's like a strong red. It's like an armor red na kapag ka tinignan ka, eh, alam mo yun, iisipin na lang ang tapang-tapang mo. In a good way. Wala na akong explain pa, but you'll get this color. Lighter. This shade is called Gabriela, and it's inspired from Gabriela Silang, you know, a Filipina hero leader of revolutionary movement during the Spanish colonization. Yun lang yung masasabi ko. But it says here, Gabriela, a celebrated hero of courage and determination. She possesses the bold and resilient spirit of a Filipina fighter. Kaya nga di ba meron tayong grupo na Gabriela na, alam mo yun, tumututok talaga dun sa mga issues na may kinalaman sa mga Filipina. And I think yung shade ng red is a perfect representation ng being a strong Filipina because it's red, it's deep, it's bold, and it's strong. Definitely one of the colors that you want to get from this collection.
Play it clean. Well, that's no fun. Darling, don't hold your breath. I'll be gone.
Next shade that I have on, guys, is, I think right off the bat I can say that this is one of my favorite colors because it is red pero meron siyang brick brown undertone, so it's really deep and perfect for nighttime, pero pwede rin naman to sa daytime. Huwag ka lang mag-dark eyeshadow and everything. And this is in the shade REYNA ELENA, a revered queen with a passionate zeal for her faith. Featured in the Filipino tradition of Santa Cruzan, she has the uncompromising beauty of a faithful believer. So, diba sa mga Santa Cruzan, hindi specific character talaga si REYNA ELENA, but, you know, parang taon-taon may iba't ibang REYNA ELENA, pero it symbolizes a very faithful Filipino woman when it comes to her beliefs in the religion, in God and everything. And shade-wise, I think it's very beautiful, and this is one of the colors na marirecommend ko na kunin nyo. Actually, pagtabi-tabihin natin yung mga red para makita nyo talaga yung difference. This is Jezebel, Gabriela, Darna, REYNA, ELENA. Jezebel, Gabriela, DARNA, and REYNA, ELENA. Believe me, magkakaiba yan in person. So yeah, those are all the shades of the FS Cosmetics Filipiniana lipstick collection. By the way, I would like to congratulate FS Cosmetics for creating this line, for coming up with this very unique and beautiful concept. Congratulations and thank you so much for sharing it with us. And we are looking forward to more products from you guys. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. And I highly recommend that you try these lipsticks. It's just $299. Sulit na siya for the packaging, for the performance, for the shades, long wearing, very moisturizing. Hindi ako nakaranas ng dryness sa kanya all throughout the day. Pero syempre, pag kumain ka, you have to retouch it like any other lipsticks. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!